How to use Gemini in Samsung. First, open the Google app on your phone. If you don't have it installed, download it from the Google Play Store and sign in with your Google account. Once you're signed in, tap your profile picture. Then go to Settings and select Gemini. If you're setting up Gemini for the first time, you'll see a welcome screen. Follow the on-screen instructions, tap Use Gemini, and complete the setup. After that, you'll be taken to the Gemini settings page, where you can customize different options. To use Gemini with voice commands, tap Talk to Gemini hands-free and turn it on. This lets you activate Gemini by saying, "Hey Google," replacing the old Google Assistant. If you can't find the Gemini option in the Google app, open the Google Play Store, search for the Gemini app, and install it. Once it's installed, open the app, sign in if required, and finish the setup process. Finally, open the Gemini settings and make sure Gemini is selected as your default assistant instead of Google Assistant. Once you've done that, Gemini is ready to use on your Android phone. That's it! You've successfully enabled Gemini on your Android device. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.